everybody, this is Felicia, and I'm back with a Wild Whispers design team layout. Here I am using their new collection, which is releasing this month. It's called Fur Babies, and that's a little strip there. And then I'm gonna flip it over here so you can see the name of it. It's called Fur Babies, and all of the papers are designed with your fur baby in mind. Now, this cute little picture is not my dog, but this is my dream dog, and it is so cutie, and it's a Pomeranian. It's a teddy bear Pomeranian, and it is so cute. And I found this picture and I just couldn't help myself. It does look like such a little teddy bear, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's just, oh, I just love it. So anyway, I just couldn't help myself, so I decided to go ahead and get this photo and go ahead and put this down. This is the kind of dog that I would like to get. Um, oh my gosh, I'm just so in love with these dogs. I've been wanting one for a long time now. So I used my punch to create that scalloped edge. And if you hear beeping in the background, I am so apologize. It's my smoke detector. It is just driving me nuts. So anyway, I've been wanting one of these Pomeranians for a long time, and as soon as I finish school, I'm getting me one. I mean, that is the ultimate goal for me, to get one of these dogs, because you have to spend a lot of time with it, from what I hear, so that it doesn't get lonely and things like that. So what I'm doing right now is all these little scallop circles is what I'm gluing together to kind of create layers here in the back. And I'm doing this by kind of piling them on and, getting them together here. And so I'm going to be putting this down. This is one of the ones. And on the back of this one is cats. And on the front is paw prints for puppies or dogs. And I decided to go ahead with this side. I really love this side. And I'm really glad they came out with this collection, because it's great and I loved it. So now that I've got this banner cut on both ends, I'm going to put this strip down there to kind of divide the page up and try to get it as straight as I possibly can, because you know how I am with trying to line things up. I get everything crooked. I still get it all crooked no matter what. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and get this down, and then I'm going to start gluing down the rest of the pieces here. And that is one of the cut aparts here that I am using here. As you can see, it's a 3x4 card, and I decided to go ahead and use that because it has the cute little paw prints on it. Oh, it was so cute. I just love it. And so it's not a whole lot that's going to go to this layout, because like I said, I would like to showcase the papers from Wild Whispers Designs. But I'm going to be using their mammoth stars. They have these mammoth cork stars that I'm going to be using here on this layout, and I really love these. I love how this turned out and how it added that little touch to this layout, and pretty much making the paper and the picture of the little puppy there who's falling asleep on the floor the focal point of this layout. So I just thought it was the cutest thing ever. And so I am now putting this together here, and I'm going to glue all of these stars down and make sure they're all sticking down. And I just love how this gives it the finishing touch. Oh my gosh. Um, I thought this was the greatest thing, the way this looked and turned out. And I decided to go ahead and forget my title, which is something that I normally don't do, but it looked good without the title, so I just left it like that. So if you're wondering why there's no title, that is exactly why. And I didn't put journaling on it. I didn't want journaling on this layout because I wanted it to be pretty much this what it is. I wanted the puppy to stand out, the paper to stand out, and so I found no need to really put journaling on here at all. But I am going to be adding some final touches of some sequins once I get those stars and things glued down and put down here on the layout. I really love how this turned out. This is great and awesome. So here I go with the sequences, and I'm going to be adding those down there. And I think I am, yes, I'm going to be sprinkling them around. I tried to get them so that they can line up like in layers, but you know how that goes. Oh my gosh. So I just kind of threw them down there, and then I, began glue each and every last one of these sequences down. And of course, when I start gluing them, I start gluing a few of them, and then I don't let you watch me do it because it can get a little boring, and you don't want to watch me glue down each and every last one of these sequences. That kind of that wouldn't have worked. So anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to check out Wild Whispers Design shop, you guys, because they have some awesome, awesome papers, and this is one of their newest collections here, and I love it. I mean, I don't own a fur baby, but I'm telling you, if I did, I'd be using this paper all the time on every layout for them. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and take care and have a great and wonderful day. And like I said, be sure to tune into the Wild Whisper shops to check out what they have to offer. Take care, guys. Bye bye.